We're very proud to show you what will be another iconic Mirvac building, and thank you for placing your trust in Mirvac to deliver your new home. The complexity of this building, the attention to detail, every single curve demonstrates the passion, the dedication and the vision of the entire Mirvac team. Incredible work. We're on the home stretch and looking forward to handing over the keys to these incredible apartments to our customers by hopefully April next year. So well done to everybody. Thank you for all the hard work.